Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I thought I would do a Princess Jasmine inspired makeup because of the new Disney live action movie Aladdin. So this is the look that I'm going to be creating, so if you want to know how I did this, then just keep on watching. Okay, so this is looking very crazy, but I already did one eye. And I've done my brows using the Revolution Pro Brow Pomade in Ebony and also the Essence Make Me Brow Gel. And next for this eye, I have already primed it with the Revolution Conceal and Define. And I've set the under eye area with powder. And now for the eyeshadow, I'm using the Soph X Revolution eyeshadow palette. That is this one. And on my lid, I am setting the concealer with the shade Pancakes. Okay, so next I'm going to start building a transition color, and I am using the shade Cup of Tea. I'm bringing the eyeshadow really close to the bridge of my nose, and I also want to drag it out. Okay, and now I'm going to start deepening up the crease, and I'm going to use the shade Mug Cake. I also want to drag it out. Okay, now I am taking a smaller brush and I'm going to smoke a little bit of the outer corner with the shade Nightmare. That is just a matte black. Always dragging it out. To look straight into the mirror to try to see if both eyes are even. I am going back with a little bit more of Cup of Tea, just trying to compare both eyes. I'm actually going to add a little bit more in here. Okay, I'm doing the lower lash line now. I'm going to take the shade Cup of Tea all over close to the root of the lashes, then a little bit of Nightmare close to the outer corner, and blend all of it with the shade Cup of Tea. Okay, so in terms of that brown smoky thing, I think it's mostly done. And now for this pop of turquoise on my lid, I'm using the Delancey Nocturne eyeshadow palette, and I am just using the shade Dew on a flat brush with a little bit of setting spray. This outer outer corner, I am blending again with the shade Mug Cake. Now for the gold on my inner corner and also the brow bone, this is the shade Sparks Fly. And I am really putting a lot of it on the inner corner. It will be really intense. Now, on my waterline, I'm using the Kiko Everlasting Kajal. Okay, so this was when things got a little bit intense and my eyes were watering a little bit, so that's why this eyeliner is not 100% perfect, but for that I'm using the NYX Epic Ink Liner. What I think is more difficult is that inner corner part. I'm gonna be honest that I'm not very used to doing it, but makeup requires practice, so let's do it. Okay, so this is what I wanted this eye to look like, but I'm just going to intensify this a little bit. So this wasn't working very well. I went on with a makeup wipe. Now, in here, I just gotta add a little bit more of Mug Cake and a little bit of Sparks Fly. Again, Sparks Fly on this side. Just redo a little bit of the black. Okay, so that doesn't look perfect, but it's definitely a lot better than it was. On the outer corner, I'm just creating that big intense wing. And now to create that really smoky effect on the lower lash line, I am using again the Everlasting Kajal and then smoking it with the black eyeshadow, the Nightmare, and also a little bit of Mug Cake. That's a little bit too intense. See, this is the advantage of doing eyes first. You can clean it up. So I'm going to clean this up like I did the other eye by adding Mug Cake. For mascara, I'm using the Kiko Standout Volume Buildable. This mascara is buildable, so I am adding more to the outer corner, and this gives a very nice false lash effect. Okay, so this is the eyeshadow. I'm gonna do the rest of my face like foundation, concealer, powder. I am using the Primark Vitamin Primer, the Kiko Full Coverage 2-in-1 Foundation. I'm using again the Revolution Conceal and Define, and for powder I'm using the Kiko Matte Fusion Pressed Powder. And I'm actually going to be testing the Velvet Sponge. This video will already be up on my channel, so I will leave it on the cards and I'll be right back. Okay, so my base is done, and now for bronzer. I'm using the Kiko Gold Waves Bronzer. I'm actually going a little bit heavy on bronzer. You know, Princess Jasmine should probably have a really good bronze. Okay, so I'm looking very bronzed, and for blush I wanted something kind of coral, so I'm going to use the Kiko Lip Me Lots blush. And for my highlighter I wanted something gold to really go with the eyes. So I'm using the Souf X Revolution highlighter palette, and I'm obviously going to take the gold shade. And actually I think I'm going to add a little bit of this one, because I feel like that is too light for this look. I think that looks better. I think that was too much. And finally for my lips, I think Jasmine has kind of a pinky shade, so I'm going to use the Kiko Smart Fusion lipstick in the shade 422. And this is kind of also a glossy lip, so I think that goes nicely. And to set this makeup, I'm using the Kiko Prime and Fix Refreshing Mist. Okay, so this is the finished look. This is my take on a Princess Jasmine inspired makeup. It was a little bit challenging, especially the eyeliner, but I think it turned out okay. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Let me know if you are going to watch Aladdin. And yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every Thursday and Sunday. And that is everything for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!